What's going on, guys? Okay, today is part 2. I'm going to install the alternator. Last video was part 1 where we removed the alternator. We got it back. It's a few days now, but now it's back. Let's put it in and see how it works. Hopefully this time this solves our electrical issue, because I did put a OBD on and it did not show that this little oak was charging the battery. It did not want to pick up the signal at all. So we took it in. They said I need to replace these parts and stuff. So yeah, now it's done. Let's put it back in and see how it goes. Let's go. Okay guys, I'm just taking a quick break. As you can see on the video, I started to rush to get everything done, but now it's raining. Didn't think it would rain, but yeah, that explains why it was so warm today. Let me show you guys. As you guys can see, everything is soaking wet outside, and it just started raining. It looks like it's gonna break up. There's some sun shining, so hopefully we can continue with the install. It's only the intake boxes I need to install, and as well as there's only the intake boxes I need to install at the back. And that one pipe, you can see the one is a bit shorter than the other one from the intercooler. I don't know why, but struggling to get one clamp on. So I'm gonna wait till the rain settles, then I'm gonna get that clamp on. Maybe stretch it out the pipe a bit, I don't know, we'll see. Then just connect the air boxes at the back. Why I took those air boxes out is because I wanted to take the whole intake system out, but I couldn't get those that's going to the turbo out, so I left those in, so there was actually no need to remove the back boxes. But as you see, I did remove the back boxes because I was going to remove the whole system. So yeah, need to install those, put the battery back in the car, start the car, and see if the alternator will charge the car. So I'm going to take a trip down to the garage or so, get the tires back full of air because one of the tires has a flat. So yeah, hopefully the car is good now. So yeah, let's wait for the rain to go away, and then we'll continue again. Okay guys, it is the next day, but when the rain stopped, I went ahead, done the install, just connected the intake and the intake boxes. That's basically straightforward, so I don't need to worry, there's no filming about that, but yeah, those stuff are straightforward. So everything's in, everything's good. I took a drive, let's see, 20-kilometer drive out with the car twice, with the OBD in, and guess what? And the alternator is charging the car. It says good voltage and the alternator is charging healthy. So everything's good. So hopefully it doesn't give me trouble again. If you like this video guys, like it, subscribe, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.